it's Matthew from AFG. I'm gonna be trying to install a 6-gang switchboard from Nilight today. So this will be the 6-gang switch panel that I have that I'll be trying to install today. It comes with its own relay system, fuses, whole 9 yards. This is the switchboard, which is pretty legit actually. The fuse box, along with pre-caged wiring. So we push this thick power cable through that grommet that's in there, and then all we have to do is just hook it up to the battery. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to file this thing. Come on. Almost. There we go. Got it. Well, the red wire gets this tip on it, and it's supposed to go in the place of fuse. So I have these auxiliary ditch lights hooked up. I'm gonna run that into the fuse box for the first auxiliary piece. We'll see how it works. Right, so I need a screwdriver. All right, this worked. All right, so I think right here is gonna be the best option. This tape is so bad. What? All right, so idea time. I'm gonna take one of my GoPro double-sided sticky tape thingies, and I'm gonna try that. The tape that it came with was Bootay. Yeah. Hopefully. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's do windshield lights. That's good. That's good. All right. That's what's up. Yeah. This is them off right now. We're just gonna click windshield lights on this little handy dandy switchboard. Boop. Kapow. Yeah, sick. And by the way, these ditch lights are from Lasfit off of Amazon. They were like $110 or so. Not too bad. They're pretty bright at night. Hopefully I'll get to show you guys pretty soon, but yeah, mission accomplished. Peace out. If you guys want to see more from AFG, then just smash that subscribe button and give it a like if you want. But we'll be making more stuff, so yeah, just remember it goes into the ignition E fuse. The wiring's not too complicated. Just if it's on like an older GMC Yukon like this, just push it through that grommet hole, and then you'll be all set to go. You'll have to extend a couple of wires, but it's not a big deal. But yeah, you guys have a good one. On to the next.